Stunner. Alright guys, remember I was telling you guys I was having a problem with my blinkers? Alright guys, here's a quick fix on how to remedy that situation. Right underneath the seat, right, you gotta take the seat off. I just put that back on there, but right underneath your seat is going to be this little, I guess, blinker. I guess you can call it a module. It says flasher right there, right? This is the one I ordered off of eBay, right? This is the original one that came off of here, right? Remember I put the aftermarket brake light, tail light in there, and it has the integrated blinkers. Now watch, I'm gonna go up here. I got it on. Want to hit my turn signal. As you can see, it's turning there. And if you come back here, it's turning there. Same thing, I'm gonna hit the left one, and that is working. Right? So the one that came with it, this is the factory one. I guess the output isn't strong enough to handle the LEDs. So you gotta replace it, guys. Just take it out. It's like I say, it's right underneath the seat. Here is the other. This is a module. I don't know what this other module is for, but this is one for the blinker. It was right in there like that. Right, and it's a simple plug and play. You can just unplug that. Got your two prongs there. Like I said, this is the original. Faulty. This one is the one that I bought. Now I will, just to demonstrate, I will plug the OEM one back in here and show you that it's not working. If I can do this with one hand, right? Now as you can see, I'm going to put the blinker on. Now watch. In a minute. Blinker. See how it's like lightly dimmed? And see what I got here? Nothing. Alright. I'm going to hit it for the second, for the left. I come here. Nothing. It is this right here, guys. And watch, I'm going to, and see when I took it out of there, notice how it went out, right? I didn't even have to switch the blinker off. The thing went out. Now I'm going to plug the one I bought back in here. And with this one here, you can adjust how fast it blinks. Like you can stick like a Phillips head in there and adjust the blinker speed. And I got this off of eBay for about 10 bucks. Simple plug and play again. I plug the new one in here with one hand. Careful not to bend it. Right, I'm going to go here. I'm going to put on my blinker. See how it's blinking? Now look here. Again, it's working. So simple, guys. All you have to do is to replace this blinker module right here, right underneath your seat. It's going to be right there, right on the other side of the this other module right here. And as you see, I got a label up because it's supposed to be up, and that's where it sits in there. That's a simple fix for your turn signal, guys. Stay tuned, Stunner.